Hello, everyone. I'm hoping you guys are having a great evening and are all excited. Hi, Anya.
Hello, ma'am.
Anya, why don't you go ahead and tell us what are we going to do today?
Okay, so in the entire Harry Potter book, we're going to be making six things, and today we'll be making just three. Okay, so the first thing we'll be making is a bottle of College's potion, similar to this. Okay, then we'll be
Can
making.
you show a close up of that once? Anya, can you show a close up of that, please? So, what exactly is that?
This is a College's potion bottle. I'll be teaching you how to make one.
Okay.
Okay. Then the next thing we'll be making is a wizard's wand out of pencils.
Okay.
And the last thing we'll be making is a Hogwarts acceptance letter.
Okay, Anya, I'm just going to repeat what all you require. You can use a pencil or a stirrer, some paints that is brown or black. We also need glue gun. We need glass or plastic bottle, A4 sheet, coffee, water, and tray.
Yes. Also,
Yes?
we'll be needing paint brushes and some Play-Doh, red Play-Doh. So first of all, we are going to start with our college's potion bottle. So I'll show you using a plastic bottle, but you can use a Caventer's bottle as you as. Now take some water and pour just a little bit in, like not even just like not even the entire base. So now what we're
Okay.
going to do is we're going to put some paint into the bottle. Okay. And now what we're going to do is we won't mix it or anything. We'll straight away put the cap on and give it a good shake. See, basically what you need to do is every around half an hour, you just put the cap back on and shake it again to give it another coat. And after 3 or 4 hours, you start to see a thick translucent coat start to form. And when you're happy with it, you can do it. So it's basically up to you how thick a coat you want. This is something what it should look like. Okay. But
Not really visible. Yes, yes. Better now.
so I use black paint in this one. And also, if this water and paint technique does not work for you, or if the paint keeps dripping off, it happens when you put too much water. Then what you can do is then you can just take a paintbrush and just dip it into paint and paint it from the inside.
What if somebody is using watercolor,
Huh?
like
Then
poster
it
color?
won't work because watercolors will slip off. In this, if you are using this water method, then you can only use acrylic paint. But if you have only watercolors, then I recommend the paintbrush. So now we are going to make a label for this. We are going to copy paste that label as well. Okay. So what you need to do is, okay. So you should cut about 1/4 of an A4 page to make a good size label. So now just in whatever handwriting you like, if you want to make it like fancy, then you can do as I'm doing. If you want to make it normal, that's completely fine. Then you just write college use potion. I'll show you the spelling right now. Okay. So now I'm going to leave this for later because we'll be coffee painting this as well. So we'll coffee paint it with the rest of it. Okay. So now we'll move on to our wand. Okay. So you take your pencil and then you have to sharpen it. You don't have to sharpen it to a full point, only this much. It should be flat like this, but sharp.
Okay.
So now I have a heated glue gun right here. Okay? And I'm gonna carefully make a circle. So you should probably do this with a parent's help because glue guns are quite hot. Okay, so when you think you're done, what you do is you keep rotating your pencil so that the glue smooths out. I'm going to take a paintbrush and I'm going to choose a. Your wand can be of any color you like. The classic colors are brown and black, but you can choose any color you like. That depends on you. Okay?
Okay. So that is the entire wand, people. Wow, that actually looks like a wand to me, and it was so simple. What do you all think, viewers?
So now it's just our last thing left, and that's our coffee painting the acceptance letter. So look, I have these two printouts as I showed you before. But most of you will not be having these printouts right now. So what you can do is you can copy paste with me right now on a blank piece of paper like this, and then later on you can print on that copy paper, or you can even write it in your own handwriting.
Okay.
I downloaded this from the internet, so it will be easy to get. There are lots of templates. You can choose whichever you like.
So what did you type on the internet to download this?
Harry Potter Hogwarts acceptance letter. We'll be coffee painting this. So first of all, you need lots of water. Not lots, but you need a reasonable amount. So now that we've done it, all of you can do it on a plain paper like I'm doing it. So now look, this is what your paper should look like.
Okay.
Okay. So now you just lay it on the newspaper to dry out.
Okay.
So now
Yes.
you have to copy that as well.
Okay. So Anya has coffee painted this as well, and she has just put it straight on a newspaper to dry.
Yes. So now like I'm coffee painting the letters that I have printed as well.
Okay.
So now I'm just going to copy paint my last one.
What is that for, Anya?
This one is the this one is full of the things you need in Hogwarts. So like the uniform, the books, the wand, everything.
I hope you had a good time. Please dry your things up. Your poly potion is ready. Your polyjuice potion. You just have to stick it on the bottle, which Anya is going to show us next time. And the wand is ready to use as soon as it's dried up. The letters are there, but how is it going to come? So the letters are going to come in an envelope, right? So Anya is going to teach us envelope next time. Since you've already made the coffee paint, viewers, please keep a couple of extra sheets ready with coffee paint so that next time when Anya is teaching, she can also add a few things to whatever she wants to, and we do not have to paint again. Any one of you wants to feature your child on our platform, please DM us and get in touch. Till then, take care. Thank you, Anya. Bye bye.
Bye.